To generate a payroll file that's to be exported from Quinyx, click on the Time tab. Use the Adjust view to define what you want to be included in the file, and be sure to select the payroll file and click Apply. You access the employee view, but you can also choose the unit view to make sure that each unit is done with their test work for the period. You can see status. Green indicates that the transactions in the period are ready to be transferred. Red indicates that they are not. You can click in to see the details. Unapproved times will not be included in the payroll file. Select what items you wish to include in the file by checking the boxes on the left. When you make your selection, several options will be enabled at the top of the screen. Create a payroll file, which will create a definitive transfer of the payroll items and keep time tracker balances up to date. The transactions will be grayed out and uneditable in the schedule. You'll need to reverse the transactions in order to fix any mistakes. The revert option allows you to reverse a file if you need to. You can also create a preliminary file, which includes all of the transactions but will not update and gray out all the payroll transactions in the schedule. You can pull this file as needed without reversing. You can also pull a salary details report, which shows you everything that's included in the payroll file in a nice, easy to read Excel file. I'll select Create Payroll File. The system will tell me how many items will be included in the file. It will give me a choice to lock the period for schedule changes, making sure no schedule items are added in the period after payroll has been transferred. It will also ask me if I want to be taken to the File Archive or the Analytics tab to retrieve the file, or if I would like to stay on the screen to continue work. When you click OK, the background process will start processing the data, and once finished, you can find it under Analytics. If you need to reverse the payroll transfer, make your selections again under the Adjust view and Apply. And now we can choose to reverse by selecting the box and revert. Keep in mind that you also need to unlock the period in order to make changes. This must be done per unit. And then you can run the payroll file again.